Are you looking to combine the spooky charm of Halloween with the warmth and coziness of Thanksgiving in a single stunning centerpiece? Imagine a table that delights your guests with both a hint of the eerie and a touch of fall's harvest bounty. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a beautiful Halloween to Thanksgiving centerpiece that strikes the perfect balance between spooky and festive. Whether you're hosting a Halloween dinner party or a Thanksgiving feast, this centerpiece is bound to impress. Let's get started. What are some easy Halloween to Thanksgiving centerpiece ideas for beginners? For those new to decorating or short on time, here are 3 simple but stunning centerpiece ideas. Pumpkin candle holders. Hollow out mini pumpkins to hold candles. You can paint them black and white for Halloween, then switch to orange and gold candles for Thanksgiving. It's an easy yet versatile idea that works for both holidays. Fall leaves and spider webs. Start with an arrangement of fall leaves, pine cones, and mini pumpkins. Add faux spider webs and plastic spiders for a Halloween vibe. Remove the webs and spiders for a Thanksgiving-ready look. Skulls and gourds. Pair faux skulls with autumnal gourds and mini pumpkins. For Halloween, position the skulls prominently. For Thanksgiving, let the gourds take center stage, shifting the skulls to the background. If you love these beginner-friendly ideas, hit that like button and share this video with anyone looking to spruce up their home for the holidays. How can you blend spooky Halloween elements with Thanksgiving warmth in a centerpiece? Blending the spooky with the cozy can create a unique centerpiece that stands out for both Halloween and Thanksgiving. Black and gold accents. Use black tablecloths or placemats for a Halloween vibe. Then add gold accents like gold-painted leaves or pumpkins. The black brings a spooky feel, while gold ties in the warmth of Thanksgiving. Dark florals and dried wheat. Use dark florals like deep burgundy or black roses for Halloween. Add dried wheat or corn husks to transition into a harvest theme for Thanksgiving. Creepy creatures and rustic touches. Incorporate spooky elements like small bats, skeleton hands, or ravens, but soften them with rustic accents like burlap, wooden trays, and natural twine for a more Thanksgiving-appropriate vibe. Got more spooky ideas for a centerpiece? Drop a comment below and let me know how you plan to blend Halloween with Thanksgiving this year. How can you create a budget-friendly centerpiece that works for both holidays? If you're working on a budget, don't worry. You can still create an impressive centerpiece without breaking the bank. Dollar store finds. You can find inexpensive items like faux pumpkins, candle holders, and spooky figurines at dollar stores. Add a coat of spray paint in neutral colors like black or gold to give them a more sophisticated look. DIY nature-inspired decor. Use what you have in your backyard. Collect leaves, pine cones, and branches to make a nature-inspired centerpiece. For Halloween, add plastic spiders or small skulls. For Thanksgiving, replace the spooky items with mini pumpkins or apples. Reusing Halloween decor. Invest in dual-purpose items. For example, black candlesticks or Gothic-style lanterns can be spooky for Halloween, but easily work for a rustic Thanksgiving table when paired with softer elements like fall leaves or twine. Want more tips on budget-friendly decor? Don't forget to check out the playlist in the description for more DIY ideas. What color schemes work best for a Halloween Thanksgiving centerpiece? Choosing the right color scheme is key to creating a cohesive centerpiece that works for both holidays. Here are some versatile color combos: black, orange, and gold. Black and orange scream Halloween, but add a touch of gold and you've got an elegant color scheme that also works beautifully for Thanksgiving. Burgundy, black, and silver. For a more dramatic look, pair deep burgundy with black and silver. The burgundy adds warmth for Thanksgiving, while the black and silver give it a spooky Halloween edge. White, green, and natural tones. For a more neutral palette, white pumpkins and green foliage with natural wood or twine accents can transition seamlessly from Halloween. Add some ghostly figures or black candles to Thanksgiving. Swap in gourds or autumn leaves. If you're enjoying these color ideas, be sure to subscribe so you never miss out on more creative tips for home decor. How can you incorporate lighting into your centerpiece for both Halloween and Thanksgiving? Lighting is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your centerpiece and set the mood for both holidays. String lights. Weave battery-operated fairy lights through the centerpiece. Opt for orange or purple lights for Halloween and warm white or golden lights for Thanksgiving. Candles and lanterns. Use black candles or gothic lanterns for a spooky Halloween vibe. For Thanksgiving, switch to more neutral or autumn-colored candles like deep orange or earthy browns. Glow-in-the-dark elements. For Halloween, incorporate glow-in-the-dark paint on items like pumpkins or skeletons. For Thanksgiving, swap them out with glitter or metallic accents that catch the light from candles or fairy lights. Need help finding the perfect lighting? Check out the description for product recommendations. How can you make a centerpiece that is easy to transition from Halloween to Thanksgiving? Creating a centerpiece that's easy to switch from one holiday to the next is all about flexibility. Here's how you can do it. Use a neutral base. Start with a neutral base like a wooden tray or a glass vase that can stay the same for both holidays. This allows you to swap out the decorative elements easily. Modular decorations. Choose modular decorations like interchangeable flowers, candles, and small props that can be easily added or removed depending on the holiday. Seasonal swap. Design your centerpiece with Halloween items that are easy to swap out. For example, replace black candles with gold ones and switch out spider webs for autumn leaves once Halloween is over. Want to see more ideas on how to transition decor from holiday to holiday? Make sure to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Now that you know how to create a stunning Halloween to Thanksgiving centerpiece, it's time to get decorating. With these easy-to-follow tips, you can transition seamlessly from spooky to festive, impressing your guests at every holiday gathering. Whether you're going for eerie elegance or harvest warmth, these ideas will help you craft the perfect centerpiece. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more home decor inspiration, and be sure to check the description for all the products and additional videos mentioned. Happy decorating!